This product is a HEAVYCON BB insert with PT termination, the brand new part and very high density of the contact. So this is a 18-pole version. We have available the 10-pole version, a little bit smaller, a 32-pole version, and the bigger size is a 46-pole version. In one fixed dimension can be used 46 pole as a maximum with a PT termination. So, and every contact can be used with 16 amps. So with a high current and a very compact design and a lot of contacts inside in one fixed dimension. We can use this part as an advanced hoods and housing series, and in all other versions of the series. At the Evo version in the plastic parts or in metal, it depends what is requested by the customer. And so we are quite flexible and we have a very, very good solution for the termination.